In this video, I'll guide you through how to upgrade to Claude Pro so you can make the most of its advanced features for things like thesis research, data analysis, and long-form projects. Let's start from the very beginning, right inside the Claude interface. First, open Claude in your browser and look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile area there. This might show your name, your email, or an account icon. Go ahead and click on that profile section. This opens up your main account menu where you can access settings and plan options. From this menu, you want to move into the settings area. Look for something labeled settings and click it. Inside settings, you'll either see an option right away that says upgrade plan, or you may need to navigate to a tab called billing. Both paths lead to the same place, so either click upgrade plan directly or go to settings, then select billing to find the upgrade option. Once you're on the upgrade page, you'll see the available subscription choices for Claude Pro. Typically, you'll be offered two main cycles for an individual plan. The first option is a monthly subscription. This is usually priced at around $20 per month, which as of early 2026 is roughly 1,120 Philippine pesos, though the exact conversion can shift a bit with exchange rates. The monthly plan is great if you want flexibility and prefer to pay month by month without a big upfront cost. The second option is an annual plan. This is usually calculated at about $17 per month, but billed as a single annual payment of around $200 upfront. Over the course of a year, that works out to savings of roughly 15% compared with paying monthly. If you already know you'll be using Claude Pro consistently for long-term projects like a thesis, dissertation, or ongoing research, the annual plan often gives you better value overall. Take a moment here to think about how long you expect to need higher limits and access to the more advanced Opus 4.6 model. If you're in an intense research phase for just a few months, monthly might make more sense. If you're planning a full year of heavy use, the annual option can be more cost-effective. When you've decided, click on the plan that fits you best. After choosing your cycle, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. This usually involves adding a valid credit or debit card. Carefully type in your card number, the expiration date, the security code, and your billing address if requested. Make sure all the information is accurate, because any typo can cause the payment to fail or delay your upgrade. If your bank has extra verification steps such as a one-time code or app confirmation, complete those as well. Once everything looks correct, confirm the subscription. Click the button to subscribe and wait a moment while the payment is processed. After successful payment, your account will automatically be upgraded to Claude Pro. You should now have higher usage limits and access to the Opus 4.6 model directly inside your chats. That's all you need to do. I'm going to walk you through how to upgrade to Claude Pro, and now you've seen just how straightforward it is. Open settings, choose upgrade, pick your billing cycle, enter your payment details, and confirm your subscription.